Hey, hey, so at 10 o'clock we are going to do 20 minutes of canoe racing as a class to practice our math fact practice. The first thing you're going to go to is the link to class sign up board. This is going to bring you to our class sign up. Let's look at it together. So the first thing it says, canoe race. Let's practice our math facts together by racing each other. As we play, I'm just waiting for it to load. As we play, I will be monitoring the board to make sure no one is overwriting each other. Remember, so if someone is clicked in a cell, like I'm highlighting this cell in blue, that means no one else should click on it because you'll rewrite whatever that person is writing. So I'm going to be monitoring to make sure that doesn't happen. The first person will type in the time they created the board. So in this cell, I'm going to just do it in let's do bright red font so you can see it. Oops. Bright red font. I'm going to say, all right, I'm here in the first person. It is 10:05. It is Mrs. Dale. The next thing it's looking for is a password to your private game. Because you are the first person here out of all these cells, you are in charge of starting the game. So you will need to go back to the Snow Day tic-tac-toe board and go to link to the game. And that's going to bring you to the canoe racing game where we can create a private game for us as a class to play. Once it loads, you're going to hit play. You're going to come up with your name, your username. Again, remember, part of the digital citizenship is we want to keep things as private as possible. So be creative with your name and try not to use your first name or your last name. So I'm going to name mine Goats 12 because of Tom Brady, number 12. This comes up. I do not want to hit play now. What I want to do is hit create a game, and I want to create a private game, and I'm creating my password, and the password is going to be whatever you would make it. Let's make it appropriate and short in letters, not something that's too many letters long. So maybe dogs 45. I'm going to create game. Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people that are playing. That are able to play. So we can come back here. I'm going to type in Dale's 45, the password the private name that I came up with. And then below here, once this is typed in right here, I'm going to highlight it red so you know, in yellow so you know what I'm talking about. Once that is typed in and there's a private board game, other people, okay, let's say Sam joins the game, Brian joins the game, Lily joins the game. Once we have 8 people, the person in charge will hit the start button to the game, start game, and then while you're doing that, I'm going to be monitoring and I'll be creating another whole table to get another game started. And we'll do that from 10 o'clock to 10:20. Again, if you have any questions, you can come up here and hit comment on the side, type your question in, and then I can respond to you as soon as possible. All right, let's have some fun and practice our math facts.